I'm here to save you a lot of money that you spend on your voiceover subscriptions. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to generate a very long audio completely for free. So if this is something that you're interested in, please come closer and let's dive in. To give you an even more value for the time that you're going to be investing in watching this video to the end, I'm going to be sharing with you a bonus voiceover tool that is also completely for free just after sharing the main one that I have for you. And to get started, all you have to do is to fire up your browser and you're going to go ahead and visit ChatGPT. And once it opens, the next thing you want to do is to come over to your settings. Click on settings, and on the settings, you're going to see voice. So you're going to click on voice, and here, change it from standard to advanced, and then language, you're going to leave it at auto dictate. But if you want a dedicated language, maybe your native language, you're going to select your native language or whatever language that you want. And then here is where you scroll through to pick the voice that you want, depending on the project that you want to use it for. There are so many options to choose from here.
Hello, it's lovely to meet you. Hey, it's great to meet you.
Hi, glad to meet you.
Now, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and select this one. So now that I have this selected, all you have to do now is to go ahead and close this, and then you can go ahead and generate your script the way you would originally generate your script. And for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be using the Bible prayer script. And to do that, all I have to do is to come over to the prompt library, and I'm going to copy stage 4. And by the way, if you've not watched the tutorial on how to use this prompt and how to get this prompt, I'm going to leave the link in the description, or you can click here to watch it after watching this video. So now that I have this selected, I'm going to go ahead and copy it, come over to ChatGPT, paste it like so. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is to copy the script that I've generated already that I want to clean out with ChatGPT and get it ready for my voiceover. And here you can see this is a script that I've generated already. Is 15-page script. So I'm not going to be using all 15 so that it doesn't take time generating and cleaning and everything. So I'm just going to go ahead and select the first paragraph, okay? So I'm going to copy the first paragraph for the purpose of this tutorial, and I'm going to paste it here. So here, I'm going to go ahead and send this script.
2 seconds later.
And now you can see that it's done cleaning out our script and is ready for our voiceover. And then the next thing we want to do is to open our apps, and we're going to open OBS Studio. Now, if you don't know how to install and set up OBS on your computer, I'm going to be leaving a link to the tutorial in the description, or you can click here to watch it, of course, after watching this video, to learn how you can download, install, and set up OBS for your screen recording. It's completely for free, 100% free. So now that we have our OBS Studio open, go ahead and click on Start Recording. And once it starts recording, we're going to open our ChatGPT. And once it's open, we're going to come over here to More Actions, and we're going to go ahead and click on Read Aloud. But before you click on this, make sure there is no background noise, there's no background sound, there's nothing. You just go ahead and click on Read Aloud.
Breathe in the presence of the living God right now, wherever you are, and let the noise of this world fade into absolute silence.
A few moments later.
Now it's done reading the script. The next step you have to take is to come over to OBS like so, and we're going to stop recording. So now the job of the OBS is 100% done. So we can go ahead and close this, and then we're going to come back to our browser. So now that we are here, the next thing we want to do is to extract the audio voiceover. That's the voiceover that we did. And there are 3 ways to do that. I'm going to be teaching you how to do that one after the other. And after which, I'm going to show you how to enhance the audio, because if you do it like this and you want to use it like this, it's going to be very poor. So I'm going to walk you through how to enhance it, how to extract the audio and everything. And to do that, all we have to do is to open a new browser like so. And we are going to visit this link. Okay, audioextractor.net. So once it opens, the next thing we want to do is that we want to upload the video that we want to extract the audio from. So to do that, all we have to do is to click on Open Video, and you're going to find where the video was saved. That's the OBS video that you recorded was saved. I'm going to select that and I'm going to click on open. And then this tool is going to go ahead and extract the audio from the screen recording that we did completely for free. And then the second thing you need to do is to select the audio format that you want it on. So if you want MP3, WAV format, or anyone, so I usually use between MP3 and WAV. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to use MP3. So now that I've selected that, I'm going to go ahead and click on extract audio, and then it's going to go ahead and process the whole thing. It's quite very fast and it's 100% free. And now you can click on download to download the file to your device. Now, this is method 1. Then method 2 to do this is by visiting canva.com/features/extract-audio. Now, the reason I'm sharing multiple ways to extract the audio is in case one stopped working, so that you won't be stranded. So here you're going to repeat the same thing. You're going to upload your video, and then Canva is going to go ahead and process the audio and then extract it from the video. And then that is one way to do it. So another way to do this is by using your CapCut. So now I'm going to go ahead and fire up my CapCut. And once your CapCut is open, the next thing you want to do is to import the screen recording that we just did. And here, I'm going to select the screen recording, and here it is. I'm going to go ahead and drag it to the timeline. And then once the video is on your timeline, you're going to right click, and here you can see extract audio. Go ahead and delete the video like so. And then once you delete the video, you're going to also trim it so that it starts exactly where the voiceover starts. Okay, so here it is. It starts exactly where the voiceover starts, like so. And we're going to play it back to hear how it sounds.
Breathe in the presence of the living.
All right, so this is perfect. And we're also going to trim out where it stopped so that there's no noise, there's nothing here. So we're also going to delete the ending part. Anywhere we have dead air, we're just going to delete that, and our audio is ready.
Breathe in the presence of the living God right now, wherever you are.
Now, how cool is this? But this is not all you need to do. The next thing we want to do is to export the audio, and then we're going to clean it out using an AI tool that is also completely for free. And to do this, all we have to do is to click on export. And here we're going to uncheck video, and then we're going to check export audio. All right, so now we're going to name the audio test audio for the purpose of this tutorial, and we're going to export it to our file. So now that we have downloaded our audio, the next thing we want to do is to enhance the audio, remove background sound, remove any hissing sound in the audio, and make it 100% safe to use for your YouTube videos. To do that, you're going to visit this particular website, myedit.online. And once it opens, you're going to, of course, sign up with your Gmail account. And once you log in, you're going to come over to audio tools. And under audio tools, you're going to select speech enhancement. So if you select speech enhancement, you're going to select the file that we just downloaded from CapCut or any other extractor that we used. And that's all you need to do. Is going to now go ahead and process the audio and get it ready. Now it's going to add all the effects, remove noise, do everything for you completely for free. Now you can see that it has processed and enhanced our audio. So let's play it back and hear how it sounds.
Breathe in the presence of the living God right now, wherever you are, and let the noise of this world fade into absolute.
Now, how cool is this? So your audio is ready completely for free. All you have to do now is to go ahead and download this to your device, and you're good to go. And now for the bonus that I talked about, if you're an OG on this channel, you've heard me talk about this particular tool over and over again, but I abandoned it because they didn't make some certain changes on the platform, but now they've done a lot of upgrades. So if you're new, this might be new to you, but if you're old, let me show you the upgrade they've done. So you're going to go ahead and visit clipchamp.com. So once you visit clipchamp.com, you're going to go ahead and click on try for free. It's completely free. You can generate your voiceover 100% for free. I'm going to walk you through how to do that and also show you the updates and upgrades that they've done. So it's amazing. So now that you're in here, you're going to go ahead and click on create a new video. So now that it has opened, we're going to go ahead and click on record and create. And once it opens, we're going to come over to text to speech, and voila, this is where the magic happens. So here, you're going to select the language that you want. It has all the languages that you can ever think of. It has Nigerian English, American English, UK English, South African English, Ghanaian English, and all all the languages you can ever think of: Arabic, Latin, Spanish, any type of English Kenya, all of them is here. So now for the voice, we're going to go ahead and select the voice that you want. Depending on the one that you want, you're going to go ahead and select that. There's so many options for different countries and different languages. So once you select the voice that you want, the most interesting part is this one that they just added, the vocal pitch. So if you come over to vocal pitch, you can select either extra low, low, medium, high, depending on what you want. And then this is where you can change the pace if you want it to go slowly or if you want it to go faster. However you want it is possible here. And then of course you can add pauses. If you want it to add pause every 3 seconds or every 10 seconds or every 50 seconds or every 1 minute or every 5 minutes, you can go ahead and set that here. And this is an incredible add-on so that it doesn't just read your text from start to finish. And then here is where you paste in your script and then generate your audio and you're good to go. Now, how cool is this? Now, if you're looking to start a faceless YouTube channel that is going to grow very fast and make you a lot of money and is also monetizable, here is a tutorial that I'm recommending that you should watch just after this video. So go ahead and watch it and thank me later. See you on the other side. Ciao.